In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel easy into ClickUp. Before we jump in, a quick prep tip helps everything go smoothly. Make sure your spreadsheet has a clear header row, consistent date formatting throughout, and any cells that contain multiple values, like several tags or assignees, use the same separator, such as a comma. With that set, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. Look to the top right of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, open Settings. In the Settings area, find and select Imports/Exports. This is the hub for bringing data into ClickUp from spreadsheets or other tools. You'll first be asked to select the source of your import. Choose the option that matches your file, such as an Excel or CSV spreadsheet. Picking the correct source helps ClickUp recognize your columns and values more accurately. Next, choose where to import your tasks. Select the exact destination in your workspace hierarchy: space, folder, and list, so your new tasks land in the right place from the start. If you're testing, consider a temporary or sandbox list so your existing work stays tidy. Now set the format of your dates. Match this to what appears in your file. For example, DD, YZYYY, or DDMMYYYY. If the format doesn't align, due dates and start dates might shift or fail to import correctly, so it's worth double-checking here. You'll also choose the delimiter for multi-value fields. This tells ClickUp how to split multiple entries stored in one cell. Common choices are a comma, semicolon, or a vertical bar. Pick the character that actually appears in your sheet so fields like tags or assignees separate properly. Click Continue to move ahead. On the upload screen, add your file. You can drag and drop it or browse your computer to find it. Make sure you select the correct version of your spreadsheet and keep file names clear so they're easy to recognize. Clean headers like task name, description, due date, status, assignee, and tags help ClickUp align your data on import. After you've selected the file, review your choices, then click Import into ClickUp. The system will begin processing. Larger files can take a little longer, so give it a moment. When the import completes, head to the list you chose and spot check a few tasks to confirm dates, assignees, and tags look right. If anything seems off, update your spreadsheet and repeat the import so your data is accurate from day one. And that's it. Your Excel data is now in ClickUp and ready to use.